Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to take a trip into Target and get some items to make one of our favorite things from Magic Kingdom, specifically Sleepy Hollow. And see if you guys can guess what it is by the time we get to the end of this video. So we're gonna grab all the ingredients that we need, some equipment, and
we're gonna make ourselves some Disney in New York.
Yeah. It's hit me the other day that I really wanted this, so let's go.
Yeah.
Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need.
Ingredient number one is bananas. Alright, so ingredient number two, strawberries, and then blueberries. They look pretty good. Strawberries and blueberries. So the next ingredient is pantomimas. And then the last ingredient we need is Nutella. But here's the question of the day. Do I get a small thing or do I get a large thing? Personally, I'll go in the middle. Let's go in the middle. This stuff is the best. Alright, now on to get the equipment. Is it 6 p.m.? Is it 8 p.m.? Is it 2 p.m.? Leave a comment down below. We'll take a poll. Also, I feel like they put way too much on this bag, and that's definitely not strawberry.
Yeah, right. So your guess, what time of day do you think it is?
What time of day is it, guys?
What
time is it? Guys, so we're home now, and now I'm going to prep all of the stuff for our Magic Kingdom snack. And if you haven't already guessed what it is, I'm not sure I can help you, but I will put a picture at the very end of what it should look like, and we'll compare the two and see how close I came. And yeah, so now we're gonna go prep. And Loki's panting. Say hi, Loki. Say hi. No, you don't want to talk to the camera? She don't care. Okay, so not a lot of prep right here. Like, we're just gonna rinse the blueberries off. I'm gonna cut the strawberries into probably like quarters. And then obviously cut up a banana into like slices. So that is what we're gonna do. All right, so I cut up all my fruit. And now to make the waffle batter. So it was 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of water, and 1/3 cup of oil for the waffle mix. So now we're gonna turn this on. All right, so our batter is done and our waffle iron is hot. So now I'm gonna get cooking. Oh, waffles are done when there's no more steam. And apparently it takes like 4 minutes. Fascinating. So here was the first one though. Came out a little extra fluffy, but it's okay. Hopefully this one is the golden. So round 2, much better, more crunchy versus this like squishy one. So definitely wait till all the steam's gone. Okay, so once you have your waffles done, you're going to use the Nutella all over it. And then once you have the Nutella on, you're gonna put your strawberries, followed by the bananas. And bananas. And then last but not least is the blueberries. Don't need a lot. And then we're just gonna fold it and eat it. So yeah. Alright guys, so here is the final product. I think it looks pretty close to the original. So if you want to try this, it's super easy. You totally can. Now I'm gonna go munch down on this and, I don't know, maybe watch some Disney YouTube and, you know, wallow my Disney tears and some Nutella and fruit. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today, and if you guys want to try the Nutella waffle sandwich, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried it at Magic Kingdom or if you've ever made it yourself. It's super easy to make. So yeah, so stick around for more videos to come. We're gonna try and do more adventures around New York and try different kinds of foods and things like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and remember, stay humble out there, guys. See you in the next video.